Welcome back to Mustangs by Matt. Today we're going to be replacing the blade style spoiler that came on this 2019 EcoBoost with this Performance Pack GT spoiler. So let's get started. By the way, if you want to know how I did that, check out the video up here where I installed the Steeda trunk pop kit. It's a really easy, fun mod. Buddy, if you hear some chirping in the background, we've got a baby bird family up in the rafters, and we're not going to mess with them. We're going to leave them there until they're old enough to fly away. Back to the project at hand. So, in order to remove the spoiler, we have to remove these two plugs, this whole cover, which includes 9 of these little plastic things. There's all over. And then we have to remove these 2 rubber bump stops. So I'm going to get my assistant here to go ahead and start removing these.
Alright, let's go.
Thanks. Excellent. Turn it. You gotta twist it. That's not gonna fall. That's held in with bolts.
Oh.
Yeah. That's not gonna fall.
Well, why am I over there?
I'm trying to figure that out myself. Just gonna put this to the side. Now we can get to these 4 bolts. They are magnetic, but it's a very, very weak magnetism, so be very careful when you're removing them. For these, for the 2 outer bolts, you're gonna wanna pull the deck lid down and remove the bolts like this. Remove the nuts from this angle. Right there?
Okay. Wow.
Alright, that's all 4 removed. Now we're ready to remove the spoiler. It's double-sided tape almost the whole way down, so it's gonna be tough, but a good hair dryer will work.
Three, two, one, lift.
Hold on. So you can see why I said I don't know why they bother bolting this thing on. This is something like 10 feet of double-sided tape. And this spoiler does absolutely nothing. It looks horrible. I wish Ford would just get rid of it. That being said, it is still worth something. Somebody wants it, so I'm going to try selling it. Now, we have to remove all of this residue and get it ready for the new spoiler. Alright, it's day 2. Got a little late last night, so we had to call it, but good news is our new shirts came in and we're ready to clean up and install the new spoiler. So, get some Goo Gone or some kind of something to get this adhesive off. Goo Gone is what I use. It's, in my opinion, is the best option. So get something that won't mar your paint and get all of this adhesive off.
2 hours later.
We're basically finished with cleaning the adhesive off. Right now we applied a layer of invisible glass, and we're cleaning up right now, and after that we'll be applying the spoiler.
It's a good thing we fixed this now instead of waiting 10 years, because the paint under here would have been a different shade of red after years and years and years of sun damage. Alright, so now all we have to do is reinstall the same bolts we took out of the original spoiler and put everything back together. Keep going. Right about there, that's good. Grab the emergency thing. Go. Alright. The honors?
Honors?
I said honors.
I
Alright. Alright, so that was the installation of the GT Performance Pack wing on the 2015 and up Mustang. It's very simple. I mean, it's a factory part. You know, this is designed to be assembled quickly at the factory. The only trouble that we really had was getting the mountains of adhesive that Ford decided to put on the blade spoiler removed. But we did, and we got it done, and it looks fantastic, if I do say so myself. Join us next time when we complete the GT Performance Pack upgrade for this EcoBoost, when we install the GT rear valance, and then later on when we install the quad tip exhaust. It's going to be great. Thanks for watching. Be safe, have fun,
And God bless America.
yeah.